Okay, I got a question about the very first homework question, or a homework problem in the normal distribution applet. And so I wanted to talk about that a little bit here. So here we go. Share screen. Excuse me. All right, so we want to find the value for which approximately 5% of the area under the normal distribution lies to the right of this value. So what I'm looking at here is that between -5 and 5, it's telling me I'm getting 68% our values are in that range. And so we're trying to find the value for which 5% of the area under the normal curve lies to the right of that point. And so I'm going to run this all the way up to the right, the upper endpoint all the way up to the right. And so what I have then is 84% of values are to the right of where this second mark is here, where the mark on the left is. And they want us to slide that until we get 5%. So here we've got 30% of the values lie to the right of 2.6, it looks like. But I want to get that down to 5%. So I'm going to keep sliding this over until I get as close as I can to 5%. Oops. And somewhere about 8.15. Well, I can get maybe a little bit better than that. There, right about 8.25. So about 8.25, I'm getting 5%, 4.94% of the values are greater or to the right of 8.25 on this normal distribution. And so the answer I'm looking for is something like 8.25 or probably 8.2, because I'm not quite to 5 at 8.25. I've gone too far to the right. I want to go over just a little bit farther to the left. 8.2, it doesn't look like I can quite get my cursor there. 8.15 is a little bit over 5%. So I'm going to go with 8.2, that if you go to 8.2, you're going to get 5% of your values are above that 8.2 measurement. All right, so that should be our answer to the question. 8.2, that 5% of the area under the normal curve lies to the right of 8.2 for this particular normal distribution. All right, and it's correct. I always like it when things are correct. And stop recording.